Is your iPhone 17e completely dead or not turning on? Here's how to fix it. First, connect your iPhone to a power source. Use a direct wall outlet with the original Apple charging cable and power adapter. Leave it connected for at least 30 minutes so the battery can charge enough if your phone is completely drained. While it's charging, your iPhone may show the low battery screen. If the cable, adapter, or charging port is damaged and not supplying power, you will only see the battery icon with the charging cable on the screen. Once the battery has enough charge, your iPhone should turn on automatically. If it doesn't turn on automatically, you can force restart it. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like this video if it helped you and support this channel. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below.